about slime. And it's fine glitter glue slime.
Alright, show them what kind of glitter you got.
I got red slime and she has purple.
Purple slime. And what ingredients do you have?
We have activator.
Which is saline solution.
Then we have
more clear glue. Then we have baking soda.
Then we have some water.
And then we have hot water, so be careful.
Then we have a bowl.
A bowl to do the mixing in.
You
got two different bowls.
Then you got a pick and a knife. But you gotta be careful.
Alright, so first things first, put your glitter glue inside of your clear bowl. Dump out your glitter glue. Good job, Zaylin. Glitter glue goes inside of your bowl.
Wow.
Squeeze it, squeeze it.
Wow. Oh yeah, I had a fart. Oh, mine's like funny. Nice.
Gotta get all of it out. Let it all come out. Just let it run out. It might take a minute, but shake it a little bit and get it out. Keep going.
Look at that. Mine's like funny. Wow! Look at it. Oh yeah, a little bit more. Look at mine. Mine's almost done. Just gotta get all that slime. Okay. Hey, I'm almost done.
Keep going. Let's keep coming out.
Mine is almost coming out. Mine is almost there. Look at mine, it's so cute. Guys, you see? It's so cute.
Leave it over there on the table. I keep having it come.
Mine almost done. Mine is almost
It's
done.
almost. Keep going.
Now, looks like mine is done.
Alright, so put it over there. So,
I'm done. So you want to take a look at mine? It's like this, guys. Look at that.